This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Shopify as an admin, then go straight to products and pick the item you want to change. Once there, make sure your image files are named clearly and sized appropriately, because Shopify will generate thumbnails automatically. Click the product to open its edit page and look for the Images section. It's the control point. Now, drag the new image into the Images area or click Add Media. This initiates the upload and replaces the visual you're about to update. Once the upload finishes, you'll see thumbnails populate the Images section. Pick the one to be primary and drag it to the first position, because Shopify displays the first image to customers. Make sure to delete any outdated photos by using the trash icon. This prevents confusion and saves space. If you have variants, link the correct photo to each variant so the selected option shows the right image. Save frequently. If you leave the page, unsaved edits will be lost. After you save, preview the product page on desktop and mobile to confirm the image displays correctly and loads quickly. If something looks off, clear your browser cache or view in an incognito window to rule out caching issues. In case the upload fails, recheck file type and size, then re-upload. Sometimes converting to JPEG fixes transparency problems. If images still don't show, verify your theme settings for alternate image handling. Then save again and retest to complete the update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.